To troubleshoot Trust Wallet import wallet issues, start by ensuring you have the correct recovery phrase. This phrase is typically a series of words given to you when you first created your wallet. If you are trying to import a wallet from a different platform, make sure you have the correct private key or seed phrase. First, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select the option to import a wallet. You will be prompted to choose the type of wallet you want to import, such as a mnemonic phrase or private key. Select the correct option and enter your recovery phrase or private key. If you encounter an error message during the import process, check that you have entered the recovery phrase or private key correctly. A single incorrect character can prevent the wallet from being imported. Also, ensure that the wallet you are trying to import is compatible with Trust Wallet. Another common issue is that the wallet may have been created on a different blockchain network. Trust Wallet supports multiple blockchain networks, so ensure that you have selected the correct network during the import process. If you are still having trouble, try resetting the wallet and starting the import process again. It is also important to note that if you are importing a wallet that contains a large amount of cryptocurrency, it may take some time for the wallet to sync with the blockchain. Be patient and allow the wallet to fully sync before checking your balance. In addition, always keep your recovery phrase or private key safe and secure. Never share it with anyone or store it in an insecure location. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot and import your wallet into Trust Wallet.